demo accounts. Now they are great for the new trader, especially to get yourself wet, get yourself a feel for the world of trading, how to use a broker, but they come with a serious warning that not many people realise, but they lure you into a trap which can be very detrimental to your wealth. In this video, I'm going to give you the pros and cons of the demo account and explain exactly what that trap is and how you can avoid it. Hello, I'm Stephen Hode, trader and founder of the Stop Hunter. So for those new to trading, what is a demo account? Well, when you need to trade, you need to use a broker to place your orders and all that sort of thing. So to entice you into opening a brokerage account with them, a broker will often give you access to a demo account, and that account should be totally free, and in that they'll have some, call it play money, that you can put trades on and play around and get familiar with their platform. So with the longer term objective of getting you to open a live account and trade in real money, and then you're live in the market. So the demo account really is a precursor to your live trading. It's, or should be, pretty much the same as the live account, and in turn that will give you the experience of that broker, and hopefully in terms of the broker will give you give you the decision process to sign up to them and start trading. Now I think you can see as a new trader why a demo account would be of benefit to you. It gives you that exposure to the broking platform. You can see how they work, what markets they offer, the costs to trading, the spreads, the overnight fees, any other charges. You can test their customer service, you could test their funding. So really it's a great platform, the demo account, to get experience of using that broker. And I've used many brokers in the past and they do vary quite differently, so it's always good to open as many accounts as you can to get a feel for that broker. They might specialise in certain markets and areas that are key to your strategies and trading. You need to find those variables out before you go live. And I suppose also it offers a no risk type approach to trading. It helps you maybe get a feel for what trading is like. I suppose getting comfortable with the world of trading as well. So there's many benefits to the demo account. But I suppose the biggest one that I would take away is if you open a demo account, you use it to learn how to put on the trades, work out what orders are, your stops, your limit orders, the actual functionality of trading rather than trading itself. So then that leads me on to the downsides of the demo account, and it's really around that last point about getting comfortable with that platform. Now, when you open this demo account, they might give you $100,000, $1 million. Sometimes you can pick what size, and I've seen some people that have sat on a brokerage demo accounts for 6 months, making millions and millions of dollars, and then they go live in the real world with maybe with $1,000 account and still think they're in this demo world and blow up completely very quickly. And this is the big trap of the demo account. It's all to do with psychology of trading. I could give you $10 right now and ask you to trade that, and you will trade massively differently to how you would if I gave you $1 million of a demo account, because there's no consequences to it, there's no risk. When you're trading for real, you have to be watching everything, knowing everything, understanding everything. A demo account, you can go away, come back, it doesn't matter if you've lost, or you can, it doesn't matter if you've won either, because you can scale up your trades to whatever you want, and there's, like I say, there's no consequences. You can't do that with real money. You have to know how much you're risking per trade. You have to have a strategy. You have to have a plan. And the demo account, its big weakness is that it lures you, it traps you into becoming overconfident. You might overtrade. You might find the game of trading too easy in the demo world, and that is, it's like the sirens on the rocks calling you in and destroying your trading. Trading is very, very difficult, and getting the mindset right for trading is extremely important. So the demo account, if you stay with it too long, is a dangerous place to be, and you should really only use it to get familiarized with the broker. And if you're new to trading, I would say yes, do a bit of playing around, put some fun trades on, practice your new strategies and ideas through there, but give yourself a sort of a time frame that you're going to stay on there, and then you're going to have that point where you move on to the real world of trading. So in a moment, I'm going to give you my number one tip for, so I suppose, that transference from the fake sort of demo world to the live world of trading. So now on to my number one tip for new traders and the demo account, and moving across from that demo account to a live account. I say give yourself a month to play with your demo account, get familiar with it, make that part of your trading plan rules. And once you get to the live account, obviously you've worked up in your plan how you're going to scale your trades, how much you're going to risk per trade, how many pounds per point, or a lot size you're going to use. Now this is where it's crucial to try and help you with your psychology and learning. It's all about having skin in the game, and when you have, you will learn a lot faster than if you were running it off a demo account. You will pay attention to every penny once you've got real money in the game. So that doesn't necessarily mean you have to go in full size to start with, because you might be a bit nervous, and that's understandable. What you should do is just pare back your lot size, your pound per point size, move it back a decimal place, and just trade until you're comfortable. So stage one of the plan would be a month on the demo account, and you might say stage two is 2 months at 10% of your risk size before you scale up to the full 1% per trade, say, risk size, and do that until you're comfortable with the trading and have learnt how it actually works, the markets and the trading, because you'll be paying a lot more attention, I can guarantee you, if you were playing with £10 of real money rather than £1 million of demo money. And it makes a huge difference to your trading psychology and success. So there you go, my tip: factor and phase your way into live trading, and scale back the size of the live trading for a period of time until you're comfortable with what you're doing, and before you can move on to hitting it all guns blazing. So there you go. Now, if you're still unsure what broker to use, and that's understandable if you're new to trading, it's a very big marketplace full of hundreds and thousands of different brokers covering all sorts of products and markets. On my website, www.thestoppunter.co.uk, on the page Our Brokers, there's 5 brokers that I personally use and recommend, and they cover all products, markets, all have demo accounts that you can open and play with. So you could open all 5 and just have a play and see what they're about. Totally up to you, but it also gives you a bit more background information on the brokers, some ideas and thoughts like what we've talked around with the demo account here on this video. So check out that, www.thestoppunter.co.uk/Our Brokers, and you'll be able to like I say, dig into some more broker information and get those demo accounts sorted. So demo accounts, you now know why and how to use them. You also know why not to use them, and when you shouldn't be using them, and how to avoid those psychological traps that they can lure you into. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell buttons to receive further notifications of content I'm going to produce. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.